Since 1959, Elliott Beach Rentals has been in the business of providing exceptional service to homeowners. Hi, I'm Kenny Thorne at Elliott Property Services. Let me tell you about our new yard maintenance program available to homeowners. We now offer turnkey yard maintenance for homeowners to give you peace of mind and to keep your property looking its very best. Our professional services include mowing, edging, blowing paved areas, spraying and pulling weeds throughout the property. But it encompasses so much more than just your yard. Our services also include cleaning grills, cleaning and disinfecting roll cart trash cans, removing clutter such as broken pool floats, beach toys and chairs, removing trash and debris from exterior properties, inspecting required signage and correcting or reporting issues, inspecting for exterior damage to properties. And we even offer pruning trees and shrubs as needed, applying mulch and rock as needed, and even pressure washing. You can depend on the professionals at Elliott Beach Rentals to keep your property looking its best. If you have any questions or need any more information, please feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to walk you through the process. We are Elliott Beach Rentals, the name you know, the people you trust.